This is a test.
Irritate my ear holes like Planet Rock beats from LA hoes. The same old thing, same old I'm tired. Was once on a payroll, about to be fired. Black radio shame, pop raps to blame. Program your playlist, it sounds the same. With a disco tempo, cliche intro. Whack rap tracks for commercial shows. Mindless music for the masses has to take time away from the real rap master. So I'll stay cool for community airplay while ratings slip for the you play. This is a test, a lesson to be observed. No rap rhymes are heard, I keep on raising the curve. Back and forth, I never stick them soft, I just run it. Punks are shun it, games keeping girlies on it. Paris is the dog, much doper than morphine. Sick with the style so you can say you've seen the radical, magical man, master of master plan. So smooth from beginning to end, this is a test. Back it up when I'm in a place, and all hail to the dog with the righteous bass. The boss I come across, rough on your radio wave, terror on 2-track whenever I'm played. Punks keep stepping, that's the reason why I come through sicker than a LA drive-by. By dropping bombs and songs y'all keep singing along. So smooth it couldn't never go wrong, this is a test. Yo, dig. When you buy a rap record, do you buy it for dance moves, or do you buy rap cause the lyrics are smooth? Cause if you wanna dance, you should stick with the other one and leave the dog alone till the dancing is done. But then when you're ready for the brother who leads and feeds all rap lovers with rhymes like these, I'll dish a little taste of the bass, a Scarface, and paste the rhyme space to chase the weak need. Cause I don't play, but my name ain't Hey, a ATC, a NWA. I'm Paris, the Asiatic lord of light, with the power to fight and write rhymes to stay. Cause I'm hotter than lava when I be up on a microphone. By now you should know it, the poet's doper than most. By dispensing of ignorance, how I'm keeping a whack down. You enter to the realm of the Scarface sound, this is a test.